In today's video, I'd like to share the things that I wish someone would have told me as a network marketer or as a beginner. These are the things that I learned throughout my network marketing business. So if you're a network marketer, hey there. If you're new here, hey there. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next uploads. Without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it, you guys. Being very honest with you guys, the thing that I really wished someone told me before joining any network marketing company or joining Global Internet Fortunes is just rejection. I just wish someone told me a lot sooner of what I am going to expect in the business. It would have taught me to have a very thick skin for my business, you understand? And I wish someone told me that this is something that you're going to meet out there and this is how you should respond or this is how you should do it. Getting to know the level of rejection or how people respond to you in different levels is actually very important, especially in network marketing. You know, we get rejected so many times in relationships, stuff like that, but that one is just something else. But when it comes to network marketing, knowing that upfront or knowing that before we actually get into the business is so important. I really appreciate the people whom I got to know from network marketing, because as of now, those people are the closest friends of mine. In one way or another, we got through a lot of things. We had to teach each other to get through rejections. So that is something that I really wish someone told me earlier, because sahi tungekuwa mbali yake. And the next thing that I also wish someone told me is the level of consistency. There is a time that you will feel like doing the business. You feel like doing the business. You do the business and then you disappear for a month. And then you come back, do the business, and then you disappear. And then you do the business. Oh my God, that one is crazy. There's a way that it affects how you do the business. When you get back, people have forgotten about you. People don't even remember what you were talking about. You have to remind people that I am this, I did this. It gets a lot tiring. As you begin, make sure you're consistent. Even if you're doing it at a slow progress, make sure the progress is just, consistent. There's nothing like you skip a month without working on the business. Yeah, so those are the things that kind of make people fail or quit the business completely. The next thing I wish someone told me was actually about the mentors. Not everyone in network marketing will be willing to tell you what I'm telling you here. That is the truth. It is hard to hear. I'm sorry I'm the one telling you this. When it comes to network marketing, not every mentor is willing to take you through the process, even though helping others in network marketing is equal to the growth that you will get. If you don't work on your team and teach them on how to duplicate, there's no way you will make money, because by helping others in network marketing, that is the way that your team will grow, and that is the way you will grow a network, and that is the way you will grow the money. I wish someone told me that some mentors are just some mentors. After they get you into the business, then they just throw you out like it didn't happen. There are so many times people have reached out to me and telling me, oh, my mentor is this, my mentor is that, my mentor does not help me here and there, stuff like that. And being able to know that there's some point in this business that I will have to work on my own and that I will have to push myself to do stuff on my own, even without the help of other people. Be ready for that if someone has never ever told you. Something else that I wish someone told me before getting into network marketing is to not rely so much on teamwork to a point where I forget about growing my network, you understand? So network marketing is all about duplication. If you grow a small network and then you start training the network and teaching them on how to get other people and forget about bringing other frontline distributors, it is likely to, there's no balance there, you understand? In order to balance your portfolio, let me say portfolio, in order to balance your portfolio in network marketing, you need to get as many frontline distributors as possible. Even though you are getting to mentor your downlines, Also, make sure that you get other people inside at the same time. Mentor these other people. If your mentor takes you through that the easiest and the simplest way, then it will be so much easier. And if you want me to be your mentor in network marketing, I work with a company called Global Internet Fortunes. If you're so interested in joining Global Internet Fortunes, I will try to link it below. If it can't, then make sure you visit their site, globalinternetfortunes.com, and enter your inviter name as Moya. Then they will prompt me through an email, and that is how we'll start having conversations, because they will display your email to me. You know, in our day-to-day lives, we have goals that we've set for ourselves. We have milestones, we have things we want to give and things we want to get differently. They are so different for everyone, and there are people who don't even set goals at all. They just get into network marketing and they just want to see how it goes. They don't have any plans for it. They don't see any future in it. There's nothing. They don't have a vision with it. Getting to work in a team with such kind of people can be very hectic. So that is the reason why I think that it is so much wise to step a bit out of teamwork and work by yourself, and you know, try to visualize and think of the things that you want to achieve in life by the help of network marketing. You understand? Yeah. So I wish someone told me those kind of things earlier in the days, because your girl messed up, and you will not mess up, because I'm here to help you. Okay. Something that I wish someone told me about is treating your business like it's the only source of income. Don't make it like an alternative source of income. Treating it like it's the only thing that you're earning money from. When I joined network marketing, I was so naive. I want to say I was naive. I did not know so much about business. I did not know so much about entrepreneurship, the things that I need to know, stuff like that. And it brought a lot of problems, a lot of setbacks when it comes to the business. Whatever it is that you're doing, make sure you prioritize. You don't have to have it as the main source of income, but you can always prioritize network marketing. You can try to do it the first thing you wake up in the morning every single day, whether it's follow-up, whether it's doing whatever in network marketing, and that is how you will help yourself, because the gradual consistency will bring a lot of positive outcomes into your business. Another thing I really wish someone told me about network marketing, or before joining network marketing, is it will take time, and that's okay. And I'm telling you today, it will take time, and that's okay. How many times have you heard that people start YouTube channels and then it takes 3 years for them to even get monetized? That is just the same as network marketing, but it does not take 3 years to get your first amount of money. No. In network marketing, it takes a little bit of time. It takes a little bit of grinding, actually, especially in the first month or the first 3 months. That is a learning phase, and we make a lot of mistakes while doing the business. So I think that having someone who can remind you that these kind of things take time, and whatever it is that is coming up front, it will be positive result. You know, I always like when I know things before they happen, knowing things up front. This is something that I can do to cover up when those kind of things happen. Because I also came to YouTube, and surprisingly on YouTube there are no network marketing videos. I hope things will change in the future. Hoping you learned something and loved my video. If you did, make sure you leave a like down below, and that is free of charge, you guys. Make sure you leave me a like. It just shows a token of appreciation, you know. And then make sure you subscribed and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next uploads. Okay, your girl is consistent these days. So have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good hour, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.